Well, could this little guy seriously change our camping experiences forever? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video here at Gideonstactical, doing gear reviews for you, finding really unique gear sometimes, but absolutely fills a need or adds a level of versatility that we didn't have before. And that's what I'm showing you today with this KOVEA liquid propane adapter for your compact backpacking stoves. Now, this little guy right here, I just was walking through a sporting goods store, saw that, and I was like, wait, what? This thing is an adaptive piece, so I can put my loved lightweight backpacking stoves, in this case, the Pocket Rocket Deluxe. There's the Pocket Rocket 2.0 that I absolutely love. They're designed to run on ISOPro and those type of more solid-based fuels that are awesome, and they work really well, but they do have a few drawbacks, mainly in price and accessibility. If you go to a specialty sporting goods store, you can usually find them, but a lot of your brick and mortar sporting goods or just kind of general purpose stores won't carry that particular type of fuel, and price, sometimes they can be a little pricey for those canisters, but they're lightweight, and wow, do they work when you're in the backcountry. This adapter gives us the ability to attach these type of stoves onto the little tiny 1-pound green propane tanks and use liquid propane to boil and cook our water and or our food. And so what's awesome is that these are a lot more accessible. You can go into almost any hardware store, sporting goods store, at least in the continental United States, and you can pick up a 4-pack of these. So it gives you the added versatility to have that backup option to use propane if needed, but it also gives you versatility in giving you an extra burner when you're either tailgating or you're pulling up to a campsite, you're RVing, whatever it may be, and you're using your favorite little Coleman propane powered stove to get a third burner. You can get this extra burner now so that you can be cooking over your big 2-burner stove, and then you can be boiling water for the coffee or doing other things and cooking just more with this type of stove, and you're not having to use your precious ISOPro type of fuel, and frees you up so you don't have to necessarily carry 2 types of fuel on your next outing. And it does exactly what it's supposed to do. It's easy to attach, it's easy to connect to any of these style of stoves, and you light it up and it does exactly what it's supposed to do, which is awesome. The added benefit is propane is more efficient at colder temperatures, and therefore if size and weight aren't as big an issue for you and you're doing hunting or some form of camping where it's not a man-portable system and you're having to put it in a backpack, then this might be a good option because it will be a more efficient way to cook and to boil water. Now, a few other things to note with you real quick. This guy I picked up for about $20, so that it's not cheap for this little tiny piece of material. It is made in Korea, so that's a good thing, and seems to be really well built and functioning exactly as it should, but it does feel like it should be more around like 15 to like 12 bucks would make a little bit more sense. Being 20 to even 25 is what I saw online in a couple spots. Seems a little pricey, so that's something to consider, that where maybe it might be a good gift option unless you really go through those propane canisters and you use it a lot and you do see a lot of value to it. The other aspect, just to kind of be aware of, I've heard some people say if they leave this attached to the propane tank and take off the stove, it will begin to slowly leak out the propane tank and empty out the tank. So if you're going to remove it attached to your stove and take it off of your green propane tank, therefore it won't be seeping out of the connection point. Just a little pro tip there for you. So that's, I haven't personally seen that, but I've heard that in some of the comments. So just take that with a grain of salt. But guys, it's small enough to throw in your compact mess kit and throw in your titanium mug like I do. I can now add this and I don't even have to think about it. It's in my little setup now because it's so lightweight, so compact, and it does add that extra versatility, and it does free me up to be able to use multiple propane as well as other fuel sources with these type of stoves, which I always thought was kind of a bummer that we couldn't until I discovered this. So just want to share this little item with you. We do have links for you below that you can go check out and see if this is something that is worth either gifting to a loved one or investing in yourself for your outdoor adventures. I hope that this video has been fun and entertaining, giving you the data that you need. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions. I do invite you to subscribe. We're throwing up content like this every single week, and check us out on social media as well. And until next time, always remember, stay equipped, stay prepared, and we'll see you out there.